Welcome back to TechVibes, your primary destination for FireStick tutorials, application guides, and smart streaming tips. If you are looking for a fast, reliable, and convenient way to install third-party applications onto your streaming device, FireSend has quickly emerged as one of the best tools available. FireSend operates similarly to popular app installers, allowing you to quickly enter numerical codes, to download collections of streaming applications, utility tools, live television services, and media players, without having to type long individual web addresses. Since shortcodes can occasionally change or go offline over time, we have compiled and tested the absolute best FireSend codes that are working right now. Before downloading unverified third-party applications or accessing external app stores, it is always recommended to protect your digital privacy and secure your connection by using a trusted virtual private network. Let us dive right into the top 9 tested FireSend codes that you can start using today. The first essential code on our list is 730116. This is widely considered the ultimate main repository for FireStick users because it hosts over 200 different applications inside a single organized portal. Inside this collection, you will find working movie streaming apps, live television services, sports platforms, and essential system maintenance tools. Key popular applications available in this store include Cinema HQ, BTV, FlixVision, Film Plus, and OnStream. You do not need any personal identification number to open this store. The second code you should check out is 2354908. This code provides direct access to the MovieBox installation package. MovieBox is a favorite among streamers because it offers thousands of on-demand movies and television shows inside an ad-free interface with multi-language subtitle options. Entering this dedicated shortcode allows you to install the application directly without navigating extra menus. Access is completely open without requiring a PIN. Our third recommendation is 9834991. This specific code connects directly to the download portal for Cinema HQ. Cinema HQ remains one of the most stable choices for cord cutters seeking high-definition movies and trending television shows. It features rapid link scraping and supports external media players for smooth, buffer-free playback. You can use this code directly with no PIN required. The fourth featured code on our list is 4396729. Typing this code into FireSend brings up the download source for OnStream. OnStream is an exceptionally popular on-demand application featuring a vast catalog of over 18,000 titles, completely free of charge. If you ever experience playback issues on newer releases, using this direct installer ensures you receive the most compatible version for your device. Access to this file is completely unrestricted. Fifth on our list is 4118576. This shortcode gives you direct access to Popcorn HD. Popcorn HD is built with a clean, remote-friendly interface that organizes content neatly into dedicated movie and show sections. It also features built-in support for real debris, allowing you to unlock premium high-speed links effortlessly. You can launch this installer without entering any passcode. The sixth code you should try is 9916269. This code downloads NetMirror directly to your FireStick. NetMirror mimics the sleek interface of top subscription services, providing a seamless browsing experience with zero advertisement pop-ups and full high-definition video playback. Entering this code gives you instant access to the latest application build with no PIN needed. Our seventh recommendation is 9972708. Entering this code downloads Phantom Movies. Phantom Movies is an impressive one-click streaming app that features its own optimized built-in media player. Because it uses single-click playback technology, you do not have to spend time testing multiple broken links. The download starts automatically without requiring any PIN. Eighth on our lineup is 1326468. This shortcode connects directly to Netfly. Netfly is a versatile all-in-one application that combines free on-demand movies and series with live international television streams from across the globe. It even includes a full electronic programming guide for live television broadcasts and operates completely free of ads. Access is fully open with no PIN required. The ninth code on our list is 8019602. This code serves as the direct download link for FlixVision. FlixVision remains a premier choice for FireStick owners, offering an extensive selection of movies, television episodes, and live channels inside a clean and user-friendly interface. You can fetch this installer instantly without needing a PIN. Now that you have the top 9 working codes, let us walk through the simple process of using FireSend on your FireStick. First, open the FireSend application on your device home screen. In the main interface, locate the code input box where you can type your numbers. Enter any of the 5 or 7-digit shortcodes mentioned in this guide using your FireStick remote control keyboard. Once you have typed in the code, click the Enter or Submit button. FireSend will instantly connect to the server and begin downloading the chosen application package. After the file finishes downloading, click Install. Ensure that permissions for installing unknown applications are turned on in your FireStick developer options, and enjoy your new application. If you ever encounter any issues where FireSend fails to fetch a code or an application does not download properly, there are a few fast troubleshooting fixes you can perform. Start by navigating to your FireStick settings menu, select Applications, choose Manage Installed Applications, and clear the app cache for FireSend. If problems persist, force stop any background applications that might be running in memory, or simply restart your FireStick device. Additionally, switching your virtual private network connection to a different server location can clear up network routing blocks immediately. That covers the 9 absolute best FireSend codes working right now. Here at TechVibes, we are committed to helping you optimize your streaming experience. With clear guides, updated codes, and top tech tutorials every single week. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button right now. Do not forget to subscribe to TechVibes for more essential streaming guides and device tips. Drop a comment down below letting us know which FireSend code is working best on your FireStick setup. Applications. Choose Manage Installed Applications, and clear the app cache for FireSend. If problems persist, force stop any background applications that might be running in memory, or simply restart your FireStick device. Additionally, switching your virtual private network connection to a different server location can clear up network routing blocks immediately. That covers the 9 absolute best FireSend codes working right now. Here at TechVibes, we are committed to helping you optimize your streaming experience. With clear guides, updated codes, and top tech tutorials every single week. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button right now. Do not forget to subscribe to TechVibes for more essential streaming guides and device tips. Drop a comment down below letting us know which FireSend code is working best on your FireStick setup.